Welcome students. Today we will see question bank for network security TY BBACA chapter 4 part 2. Subject recent trends in IT. First question, the term TCP IP stands for option A, transmission contribution protocol or internet protocol, B, transmission control protocol or internet protocol, C, transaction control protocol, internet protocol, D, transmission control protocol or internet protocol. Answer is option B, transmission control protocol or internet protocol. The term TCP/IP stands for transmission control protocol or internet protocol and was developed by the US government in the early days of the internet. Next question. In Wi-Fi security, which of the following protocol is more used? Option A, WPA, B, WPA2, C, WPS, D, both A and C. Answer is option B, WPA2. Wi-Fi security, the WPA2 is one of the most widely used protocol because it offers a more secure connection rather than WPA. It is also known as upgraded version of the WPA protocol. Next question. Hackers usually use the computer virus for dash purpose. Option A, to log, monitor each and every user's stroke. B, to gain access the sensitive information like user's ID and password. C, to corrupt the user's data stored in the computer system. D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. Hackers use computer viruses to perform several different tasks such as to corrupt the user's data stored in his system, to gain access the important information, to monitor or log each user's stroke. Therefore, the correct answer is the option D, all of the above. Next question. In which of the following a person is constantly followed or chased by another person or group of several people? So, this type of attack, option A, phishing, B, bullying, C, stalking, D, identify theft. Answer is option C, stalking. Stalking refers to continuous surveillance on the target or a person done by a group of people or by the individual person. Cyber stalking is a type of cyber crime in which a person or victim is being followed continuously by another person or group of several people through electronic means to harass the victim. Next question. Which of one of the following can be considered as the class of computer threats? Option A, DOS attack, B, phishing, C, soliciting, D, both A and C. So, answer is option A, DOS attack. DOS attack refers to denial of service attack. It is a kind of cyber attack in which one tries to make a machine or targeted application or website unavailable for its intended user. It is usually accomplished by disturbing the service temporarily or indefinitely of the target connected to the internet. Next question. Which of the following is considered as the unsolicited commercial email? Option A, virus, B, malware, C, spam, D, all of the above. Answer is option C, spam. It is a type of unsolicited email which is generally sent in bulk to an indiscriminate recipient list of commercial purpose. Generally, these type of mail are considered unwanted because most users don't want these emails at all. Next question. Which of the following usually observe each activity on the internet of the victim, gather all information in the background and send it to someone else? Option A. Malware, B. Spyware, C. Adware, and D. All of the above. Answer is option B. Spyware. Spyware, the software designed to enter the target's device or computer system, gather all information, observe all users' activity, and send this information to the third party. Another important thing about the spyware is that it works in the background, sends all information without your permission, that is user's permission. Next question. In cryptography, what is cipher? Option A. Algorithm for performing encryption and decryption. B. Encrypted message. C. Both algorithm for performing encryption and decryption and encrypted message. And D. Decrypted message. Answer is option A. Algorithm for performing encryption and decryption. Cipher is a method to implement encryption and decryption of message traveling in a network. It's used to increase the confidentiality of the message. Next question. In asymmetric key cryptography, the private key is kept by option A. Sender, B. Receiver, C. Sender and receiver, D. All the connected device to the network. Answer is option B. Receiver. The private key is kept only by the receiver of the message. Its aim is to make sure that only the intended receiver can decipher the message. Next question. Which one of the following algorithm is not used in asymmetric key cryptography? Option A. RSA algorithm, B. Diffie-Hellman algorithm, C. Electronic code book algorithm, and D. DSA algorithm. Answer is option C. Electronic code book algorithm. Electronic code book algorithm is a block cipher method in which each block of text is an encrypted message corresponds to a block of data. It is not feasible for block sizes smaller than 40 bits. So it is not used in asymmetric key cryptography. Next question. In cryptography, the order of letters in a message is rearranged by option A. Transpositional cipher, B. Substitution ciphers, C. Both transpositional ciphers and substitution ciphers, and D. Quadratic ciphers. Answer is option A. Transposition cipher. In transposition cipher, the order of letters in a plain text message is shuffled using a predefined method. Some of such ciphers are rail-force ciphers or columnar transposition. So the answer is option A. Transpositional cipher. Next question. What is data encryption standard, that is DES? Option A. Block cipher, B. Stream cipher, C. Bit cipher, and D. Byte cipher. Answer is option A. Block cipher. DES is a symmetric key block cipher in which the block size is 64 bits and the key size is 64 bit. It is vulnerable to some attacks and is hence not the properly used. Next question. Cryptographic hash function takes an arbitrary block of data and returns option A. Fixed size bit string, B. Variable size bit string, C. Both fixed size bit string and variable size bit string, and D. Variable size byte string. Answer is option A. Fixed size bit string. Cryptographic hash functions are used in digital signatures and message authentication codes. The only issue with it is that it returns the same hash value every time for a message, making it vulnerable to attackers to evaluate and break the cipher. Next question. Dash is another data hiding technique which can be used in conjunction with cryptography for the extra secure method for protecting data. Option A. Cryptography, B. Steganography, C. Tomography, and D. Chorography. Answer is option B. Steganography. Steganography is the technique of hiding data in another raw data. Is another data hiding technique which can be used in conjunction with cryptography for an extra secure method of protecting data. Next question. How many algorithm digital signature consist of? Option A 2, B 3, C 4 and D 5. Answer is option B 3. A digital signature consists of 3 algorithms: key generation algorithm, signing algorithm and signature verifying algorithm. Thank you.